Does this thing work?
Of course this thing works. What are you talking about?
Hey, guess what? Guess what? There's a whole lot of nothing out here.
What do you mean there's a whole lot of nothing out here? We're supposed to be collecting rocks and stuff. Blah, 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 blah.
Guess what? Still a whole lot of nothing out here.
What about the rocks?
Oh no, there's a Martian dust devil. And it's headed this way. It's over there.
You better skedaddle. You don't want that dust getting in your equipment. It's fine as
I'm gonna
glass.
shoot it. Take that, you dust devil. And don't you forget it. Because of the low atmospheric pressure on Mars, the dust devil couldn't hurt a fly, but it would mess up my shit. The dust would ruin my shit. But the dust would ruin my shit.
So, I was wondering, what does the speed of light have to do with time travel, you know? It seems like it wouldn't have anything to do with time travel, but... You know how people say that the speed of light is the speed limit of the universe? Well, if you can travel faster than the speed of light, then you can travel faster than things actually happen. So if you were to travel around in a circle, then you would get to where you started before you left. Roger out.
Don't you have an experiment list that you need to get through? Just seeing. Just seeing.
Sigh. Alright, I'm going to the lab, don't worry about it.
As an experiment, I've decided to try a cooking show in outer space. Hope you guys like it. On today's cooking show, we are going to learn how to make a planet. Hey Otto, do you have a bag over there? Once we have the bag, we can begin our show. For sure. This bag is going to be the first ingredient that we need, though the planets weren't really formed in bags. Thanks a lot, Autumn. Yeah, I plugged the toilet, so if you could plug it. Oh, and salt. We're gonna need that to start our protoplanet. Well? Ow. Otto, you're a robot. It's not much shit as goes to you anyway. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this salt and put it in this bag here. And then we're just gonna close up the bag like this and shake it. once you shake it, you might notice little salt grains are starting to stick together through the static charge that they developed. This is how the planets were formed. As the dust got charged from spinning around the sun in the proto-solar system disk, they developed a static charge and they stuck together until they were big enough to start having a gravitational pull on each other. And so now you know how to make a planet. That's all for our first cooking show. Maybe I'll think of something else to make.